So these are the questions which I have posted in my post. So we'll discuss one by one and we'll quickly solve all of them. And if you have any confusion, please post in the comment section. So in this question number 1, if orange is called butter, butter is called soap, soap is called ink, ink is called honey, and honey is called orange, which of the following is used for washing clothes, right? So first thing is, what is used for washing clothes? That is obviously a soap. So what it will be the answer? As you have said, when I have said called, so this will be the flow, right? Just remember called and means, when that is the distinguished thing. So soap is here, so you will consider ink. So the answer should be E. And question number 2, if the animals which can walk are called swimmers, animals who can crawl are called flying, those living in water are called snakes, and those which fly in the sky are called hunters, then what will a lizard be called? Again, the basic thing is called is mentioned, so this will be our flow, right? Means may, that is anti-clockwise, called is clockwise. That's all you need to memorize to avoid the confusion. So what will a lizard be called? So the first, obviously there is two deduction to do. So lizard is like a crawling animal, right? Animals who crawl. So basically animals who crawl are called flying. So what, like this? So which the crawl is reference is given to flying, so the answer should be C. So in the third question, if air is called green, green is called blue, blue is called sky, sky is called yellow, yellow is called water, and water is called pink, then what is the color of clear sky? Again, this is the same type of question which is discussed in question number 1 in the basic lecture. So what is the thing called, right? Called will be clockwise. So we are talking about clear sky, which is blue. So where is blue? Blue is called sky, so this will be the reference. So sky is the answer, B. Now in question number 4, if sky is called sea, sea is called water, water is called air, air is called cloud, and cloud is called river, then what do we drink when thirsty? It's very simple. What do we drink when we are thirsty, right? And again, is called is being talked in the picture this side, right? So we drink water. So water is called air, so answer will be air. So in question number 5, if sand is called air, air is called plateau, plateau is called well, well is called island, and island is called sky, then from where will a woman draw water? So what is the reference? It is a woman draws the water from well. So again, is called is being talked about, that will be the thing. So well is called island, the answer will be island, right? Very simple. Again, the sixth one, if bangle is called cassette, cassette is called table, table is called game, and game is called cupboard, then which is played in tape recorder? So generally what is played? First answer, this is a cassette which is being played, right? So and this called is being in the picture, so this is like this. So where is cassette? Cassette is called table, so answer will be table, it is C, right? So let's move to the next. If cloud is called white, white is called rain, rain is called green, green is called air, air is called blue, and blue is called water, where will birds fly? So birds fly in the sky, right? So, or you can say they fly in the air. So what is being talked? Air. So air is called blue. Obviously called thing, again this one. So answer is E, seventh one. So in this eighth one, if book is called watch, watch is called bag, bag is called dictionary, and dictionary is called window, which is used to carry books. So bags are used to carry books, right? Very simple. So where is bag? Bag is called dictionary, so dictionary is the answer, right? So if water is called, now we'll discuss ninth, water is called food, food is called tree, tree is called sky, sky is called wall. On which of the following grows a fruit? On a tree fruit grows, right? So tree is called sky, so sky is the answer. If water is called blue, blue is called red, red is called white, white is called sky, sky is called rain, rain is called green, and green is called air, which of the following is the color of milk? So what is the color of milk? White is the color of milk, so white is called sky, so sky is the answer. So you can see these are very easy. I have discussed only one case called. Next video I'll bring up the questions for means also, and then hence you will be clear with the idea of what we are talking about. And as you can see, just practice some and revise it sometime. You get the logic, because that's why I have highlighted important points. And I hope this video was clear to you. If you have any doubt, please post in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this.